Here, every second pulls you deeper into darkness. Your fate lies in the hands of time. The countdown begins to an eternal abyss. Time is running out.